Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the language in your Hay Day application using your mobile device. To change the language in Hay Day, first of all, open up Hay Day application on your device, and once you're inside this game, tap on the menu button at the top left. In the pop-up appearing on the screen, tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for a language option and tap on it. You will then get to select from the multitude of languages available on the next page. From the list of available language, scroll through the list and select your desired language by simply tapping on it. And you should be able to change your language setting within the game. You can always get back to the same settings menu and look for the language option, which is easier to find, and get back to the language and switch between the language of your preferences anytime you want. The game will instantly update to the selected language. Hay Day supports multiple languages including English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, etc. Now you can easily enjoy the game in your preferred language, making it even easier to build and manage your dream farm. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Hay Day tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.